I am Mahim Kumar Tiwari. I am from Balia, Uttar Pradesh. I am tracking this clinic from last few 2-3 years back. And after seeing all the results of this clinic, I got confirmed that this is the best place where I can visit and do my transplant. So after a hair transplant, now it's been 8 months, and you can see my result, which is for my side, because that time before that I have fully bald, means I am the patient of 6 to 6+ grade of baldness. But now you can see my result. It's fabulous, and thank you to all the team members, doctors, staffs, and everyone. Each and everyone contributed a lot. Thank you, all of you.